We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Presentation slides for business require subtle sophistication. Gradient presets provide controlled backgrounds that enhance readability without overwhelming content. Applying a preset helps maintain consistent tone across slides, crucial for presentations aimed at professional audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. Gradients are applied to support hierarchy, darker shades behind secondary content, lighter shades under headlines. RGB channels are reviewed to avoid color